So, Mr. Anush, we'll do the mensuration questions. Yeah, all the mensuration questions. So, which of the following solids can hold more water in it and by how much? Cube with an edge 20 centimeter. So, whenever they are asking you about holding water, is it an area question or a volume question?
Holding water area. No volume.
Volume. So, whenever they are asking you about holding water, it is always a volume question. Now, for doing this kind of question, the first requirement is, do you know the volume of cube and a cuboid? What is the volume of a cube?
I think in the new paper, this question's been removed because we don't have volume.
You don't have?
This question. It got cancelled in class 2.
It is not there.
Volume is not there.
Even if it is not there, just try to understand volume of a cube is L cube. And volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height. Any doubt?
No.
Yes. Today or tomorrow you'll have to do these kind of questions. So just try to understand. Whenever they are trying to ask you about holding of water, it is always a question of volume.
Our school teachers have blindly been taking questions in the past and just adding them and counting it.
What I'm asking you is, have you understood what is the volume of a cube?
Yeah, L3 and
L
the board
cube.
is L into B into H.
L cube. L cube.
L cube. I'm sorry.
So this will be 20 cube. And this will be 1.5 into 10 into 5. Now one thing that you need to take care is about the units. This will be 20 cube centimeter cube. So this will be 8,000 centimeter cube. Have you understood?
Yeah.
But here what you need to understand is this is in meter. This is in centimeter, this is in centimeter. So you'll have to convert this meter into centimeter. This will be 150 centimeter into 10 into 5. So 15, 5 the 5 5 the 25, 75, 00 centimeter cube. Have you understood?
Yeah.
देखिए समझ आया नहीं आया?
It'll be 750 and then into 10. 7,000.
See, what is very critical is what you need to understand in this question is one, you need to remember the formulas. Cube का क्या होता है, cuboid का क्या होता है, that is the first thing. But then there is another very critical thing that you need to understand, and that is आप इसको यूनिट को देखिए. ये सेंटीमीटर है, ये मीटर है, ये सेंटीमीटर है, ये सेंटीमीटर है. तो अगर कोई मीटर है उसको सेंटीमीटर में याद से उसको कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए. आपको समझ आ गया?
In place of that question, we had a question on this.
Sir, have you understood what I have told you?
Yes.
That is important.
L cube for cube and for cuboid will be L into length into breadth into height.
That is important. When you are doing this length, breadth and height, either all of them are in meter or everything is in centimeter. Now we might require this formula in physics. If not in maths, in physics we will require. So please remember what I am trying to tell you.
The densities. And
Yes. When we will be using densities equal to mass per unit volume, there we will require this formula. So that's why I am insisting that you should understand. Have you understood now? In physics you shouldn't say, "Arey sir, ये तो पता नहीं."
What's that? What is in dash?
This is the symbol of rho. Density. Density. Rho. Usually density uses this symbol rho.
Oh.
Have you understood? Should I explain again? Let's quickly do these three questions. So copper wire when bent in the form of a square encloses an area of 121 centimeter square. So this is a copper wire which is bent in the form of a square. So this is made a